Ahoy Pirates! Based on my own experience living over 3 months in Hokkaido, Japan, I found the cheapest and best rental store. For the whole winter season, I paid only $160 for a board and boots at Sotorent. I show you later in the video how to receive a 20% discount code. These guys are friends of mine and the video is not sponsored, as well as highlights locations where you can buy new or used gear around Sapporo. Near Teine Station, where the Winter Olympics in 1972 were held, you find a small local shop, owned by 2 best friends, who love winter sports and realize their ikigai with the rental, ice fishing and DIY Yukiitas. For the perfect powder, you need good reliable gear, because the snow conditions can change quickly from storm to powder within a day. You can rent ski and snowboards for adults and kids, as well as other winter gear such as jackets, boots, gloves, and so on. I got a good deal for a new face mask for 300 yen. Let me give you a small tour of the shop. You can rent individually or as a group and will always receive a freshly waxed board or skis. These are 5 tips for renting a snowboard. All of them are free service at Sotorent. First, snowboard size. It's a combination of your weight and height. Second, goofy versus regular. Check which foot you are riding forward with. Right foot front is goofy. Left foot front is regular. There's also a standard stand for beginners. Third is the board wax. You can check board wax if the edges are dry. 4. Adjust height back on new bindings. Minimum 4 for a beginner. 5. Binding strap size. The boot needs to be perfectly fitting into the binding. Japan is known for its Yukiita culture, and the shop creates their own. It's like a snowboard, but it doesn't have bindings and does not require snowboard boots. I had the pleasure of watching them craft one for some days. If you are interested in watching or crafting, just talk to them. The process takes days and includes many different stages. It's about selecting the right wood, drilling, cutting, polishing, taping, measuring, and so on. It's fun to learn from the locals, and in the end, try to ride them. Ladies and gentlemen, and everyone in between, shred the like button so more people can enjoy Japan. They even offer ice fishing trips to a beautiful lake where you will encounter wildlife such as snow foxes and catch some fish while enjoying nature. You can also try out their self-made Yukiitas and enjoy a fire. Don't hesitate to ask Sotorent any questions, for example about schools. Of course, the prices can vary in the future. Please find all links and receive a 20% discount link in the description. Check out prices on their website. My local tip, a little hidden gem, is the local izakaya around the corner, owned by a famous Japanese pro skier, with amazing fresh food and local fish. If you would like to buy used or new skis or snowboards, I created a maps link for you to check out all second-hand stores in the description. Boots I would either rent or bring. Also, you need a cover bag for gear, otherwise you will not be allowed on public transportation. This video is helpful for you. A subscribe would mean the world to me in finding my real audience. Check this video out to know which snow gear you need for Hokkaido. All more videos about skiing and snowboarding in Japan, as well as the Captain Ikigai merch. See you in the next one. Cheers and live your ikigai!